set. On a nut. V1. Rotate. Direct.
Well, flight vector's on. There you go.
Runway track and
Spear wings 901, contact departure.